Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I received an email the other day, kind of an interesting topic that I thought I might like to share with you. It came from Jim M, and he said, "Hi, I'd like to take a minute to explain how I prepare Arko shaving stick. Take the stick out of the wrapper and mold it with your hands using your body heat to make it pliable, to shape it to fit in your favorite shaving mug. It's part of my safety razor shaving ritual. Thanks, Jim." Well, it's an interesting concept. I thought I knew everything about the Arko shaving stick. I've already done a video on it, which I'll put a link to it, all about the Arko shaving stick. I'll put a link up there, you can check it out. But I did not know that maybe it's that pliable where you can mold it into whatever you want. I know that you can chop it with a knife, you can use a grater or a shredder, and then press the particles down into your bowl. Did not know that you can just use your body heat from your hands to make it warm enough and pliable enough to shape to a bowl. So we're going to give that a try today. Just a little bit about the Arko puck before we get into it. Some love it, some don't love it. Some say it smells like ivory soap. Others say it smells like the big white urinal puck. Like Wade Garrett said to Dalton in the movie Roadhouse, if you've seen it, he said, "Don't eat the big white mint." Words of wisdom. Great movie, by the way, if you're into that sort of thing. Arko already comes in a couple different forms. You can get it at Shave Nation. Just click the link under the video where it says show more, and it'll pop up right there. I'll have links down there, you can check it. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, Arko, A-R-K-O, it'll pop right up. But you know that it comes in the form of a stick. It comes in the jar like this, Arko shaving soap in the jar with the screw top, just like that. And then we also have it preloaded in a twist-up container, like so. Just twist up at the bottom, and as you use it, twist it up. When you're done, just put the cap back on, ready to rock and roll in your DOP case, your shower bag, and it won't make a mess. It'll stay nice and neat in here. Or you can buy the empty container like this, and you can put your own shaving stick in there. Let me just say that you can't microwave it because it's not glycerin-based. It's a tallow-based soap, so you can't microwave it. You can't melt it down. But you can, like I said, chop it up, shred it up, use a grater. But let's see if we can make it pliable enough to fit into one of our bowls. Let's see if I can get it to fit into the Shave Nation ceramic bowl. And then maybe we will try it in the Proraso professional shaving mug. Let's see if we can do those two. So here's the stick. Let's open it up. I don't know if the body heat will be enough to make this pliable enough to bend it and mold it and shape it into any type of mug, but we'll give it a try. It's a little kind of a pain to open these things, but taking all the foil off. Normally you just open up the foil a little bit and use that portion and then close it back up with the foil, but I'm removing the whole thing. I think it even says Arko on the side of the stick. I'm sure you can't make that out, but kind of looks like that's what it says. You know, the smell, it doesn't bother me. I'm okay with it. Let's see if we can... Hold on. Mr. Miyagi and Daniel's son, reenactment right here. Let's see if I can get my hands warm enough to do this. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, if you squeeze it, you have to really squeeze it between your thumb and your finger. You can make it pliable and pretty much form it to whatever shape you want. If the thinner you make it, the more pliable it will be. So kind of a pulling and stretching motion. That works well. Yeah, I never thought it was this pliable. Maybe a few hot air breaths. 98.6 degrees. Help to soften it up a bit as well. So we'll tear off a piece. A couple of pieces. Put that down in there. Right down into the bowl. And just push it in with your thumb. And you can do that with a couple different pieces. Once you get it down in the bowl, you can really press hard on it and compress it and get it to conform to whatever shape you want. Yeah, it's not coming out of the bowl either. It's very sticky. it's going to be locked in place. And once you use your brush and water to generate some lather, after it dries up once or twice, it'll really be locked down. I mean, depends on how neat you want to go with it. You can compress the sides, make it round. There you go. It's compressed. There's no way it's coming out. To use it, I would bloom the soap first. Just put a little hot water on top of it, swish it around, let it set, and then pour that water out. And then go right in there with your brush and mix up a lather. Should we try it? All right, let's try it. Get the hot water going. Just a little bit of hot water right on top, like so. I don't want to spill it, but it's in there. Let that soak for a little bit. Fill up my marble cup with some hot water. This is the Trafalgar T2 brush. I'll put it right in there. Saturate it. Get rid of the bulk of the water. Pour out the water from the Shave Nation bowl. And let's see. We'll swirl up. There you go. So the tips are loaded. You can just go ahead and lather up. No problem. Add a little water. You're good to go. Look at that. Nice and easy. And you can see that there's no way it's coming out. And now once the water saturates around and into the soap, it'll really lock it down in place. This is the T2 Trafalgar Simpson shaving brush, synthetic brush. So you can use any type of a brush. It'll definitely get the job done. I could attempt to remove this soap from the bowl, but guess what? It would be, my attempt would be futile. There's no way, it's not coming out. So you'll have to use it to get to the bottom of the bowl. Let's try one more. We'll try it in the professional shaving mug. Let's open this up. Wax on, wax off. Just knead it, press it down. You have to have a little bit of hand strength to do this. If you make it a little bit flatter and thinner, you can mold it to just about any shape you want. Now it's very pliable because it's thinned out. So if I rip this in half and then put half of it right down into the bowl. This Proraso professional shaving mug, it has the apothecary style knob on the side, and then it has grooves that protrude on the bottom. So once you put the soap down in there, it's definitely going to lock into place. Push it over and fill in any gaps. There's one. Here's the other second part. So just push that down to the bottom and then push it to the sides so it conforms to the shape of the bowl and there's no hollow spots. There you go. It's perfectly compressed down into the bottom of the Proraso professional shaving mug. And this mug is unbreakable. If you drop it, it won't break, which is cool. And you can see that. No way it's coming out. And once you get some water on top of it and it saturates and dries a couple times, you'll have to use the rest of this shaving soap in order to get to the bottom of this mug because it's not coming out. Trust me. It's in there for keeps. All right, let's try this one. Put a little hot water at the bottom to bloom it. Swish that around a bit and let that soak. Fill the marble cup with some hot water. Now we'll try the hot lava shaving brush, the Shave Nation fine badger brush. Drop that right in. It gets heavy. It absorbs that water. Shake that off and pour out the little bit of water that was blooming the soap. And we'll go right in here. All you want to do is load the tips. You don't want to mix the lather in this little mug. It's too small. But then you can go right to your face, lather up. Just like that. Perfect. Very nice. I would shave right now, but I don't have anything to shave. I shaved this morning. I'm good and clean. There you go. The Arko shaving soap stick. Pliable, compressible, pressable, formable, whatever you want to call it. You can make it conform to just about any type of a shaving bowl or mug you might have. You tell it what to do, it will do it. You may have to force it a little bit, but it will do it. And Jim, thank you very much for the suggestion. I appreciate that. Kind of fun doing these little scientific projects. Mixes it up a little bit. So if you want to pick up the Arko stick, brushes, bowl, whatever, just click below the video where it says show more and you can pick up the items right there. There will be some links down there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Do me a favor, please, before I head out. Click that subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.